Hey guys, this is my premium Broadway. Yeah. Okay, so in the back I have an Alienation Black Sheep rim laced to a McNeil hub with yellow Shadow Conspiracy spokes. I have a yellow Shadow Conspiracy chain with stock cranks and stock chain wheel. I have a Fit Bike Co. back tan wall tire with fly Reuben pedals. I have a United Pivotal Stay Strong seat, and in front I have fly Reuben grips with Shadow Conspiracy bar ends in yellow. I have stock bars, 8.15 rise, I think. Stock stem with a Ritchie headset. I have stock forks. In front, I have a Fly Reuben front tire, tan wall. I have an Alienation Defiant front rim laced to I have no idea what front hub, and no clue what the spokes are. I'm riding flags in back and in front. I like them a lot. They ride really nice and they're really, really slidey. Alright, thanks for watching.